Hey guys, welcome to the new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a free LLM API key using OpenRouter. OpenRouter provides GPT, Gemini, Claude, DeepSeek and more LLM APIs free, but it has some limited. For the free account, we can use the 15 requests per day. For the development purpose, it will be enough. Maybe we can create a new OpenRouter account, we can create a new key, we can repeat this. Once you log in the OpenRouter, you can just click the Models tab. So in this page, we can able to filter the free APIs. In the sidebar, I'm going to reduce the prompt pricing to 0. So once you reduce the price, you can able to see the all free APIs by providing OpenRouter. So for now, 59 APIs will be there. So you can able to see the DeepSeek, OpenAI and the GLM. So now you can go to click the profile icon. Here we can able to see the keys option. Now I'm going to add the new key, giving the name Chatbot. So this is my key. So I'm just copy the key. You can save it in Notepad also. So using the key, I'm going to build the chatbot. Now I'm going to open the one of the AI. I'm going to open the DeepSeek. In the DeepSeek, here we can find the API tab. In this tab, we can get the initial code for Python, TypeScript, Python and OpenAI TypeScript. So you can just copy the code. We can use the code in the v0.dev. So this is the website I'm going to use. This is called v0.dev. We can build the Next.js and React application using prompt. So this is the prompt I'm going to use. Here I mentioned build a chat application using the OpenRouter, and also I'm paste the DeepSeek and GPT code. So this is the code I'm getting from the OpenRouter. You can use the Lovable also. For now I'm going to use the v0.dev. So it will be provide powerful Next.js application and React.js application. So I paste the text here and hit the button. It will be taking time. So using the prompt, our application will be generating. Once the application will be generated, we can able to get the code also, and also we can able to connect the GitHub. After we can able to deploy. So the application is generated. So this is the application, OpenRouter chat. Here I want to paste the key. So this is the key I'm getting from the OpenRouter. Here we can able to select that. For now I'm going to select the DeepSeek. I'm going to type hi. See, get the response from the DeepSeek. So again I'm asking HTML code. After a few seconds, I can able to see the HTML code, and also we can able to copy the code also. Now I'm going to switch the model GPT. I will try this. Say hello. So after the few seconds, GPT responds. So this is the response I'm getting from, and also the conversation also continue. So using the OpenRouter, you can get the API key and you can build your own AI product.